Your Mac Mini might detect Wi-Fi networks, but if you see the Wi-Fi network could not be joined, you can't get online. This issue usually happens because of corrupted network settings or an outdated Mac OS. Many users get frustrated not realizing it's a quick and easy fix. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the Wi-Fi network could not be joined issue. Let's solve it right now. Solution 1. Forget the Wi-Fi network. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the top menu. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now click on Forget this network. Click Remove. Now reconnect your Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Delete corrupted network files. Click on the Go button from the top menu bar. Then click Go to Folder option below. Now here, write this prompt /library/preferences/system configuration/. Don't worry, I will give this prompt in the description. Then hit enter. Now here, find the files related to the network. Then right-click on it. After that, click on the Move to Trash button. Now go to the trash folder. Click on the bin icon from the taskbar. Delete the same file. Now click the right mouse button. Click Delete immediately. Now click Delete to confirm. After this, restart your Mac. Solution 3. Renew DHCP lease. Click the Wi-Fi icon at the top. Next, click on Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now, click on TCP/IP from the right sidebar. Here you will get an option called DHCP lease. Click on Renew DHCP lease next to it. Then click Apply. This gives your Mac a new IP address from the router. Solution 4. Check software update. Open up the settings, then tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If you find any updates available there, then install them. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.